how to find Google two-step verification backup codes on an iPhone or Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the backup codes for your two-factor authentication for your Google accounts. I'll be doing this on an Android phone, but the steps will be exactly the same on an iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up a browser, and I'm going to be using the Chrome browser, but any browser will work. And all we need to do is navigate to account.google.com. Check the description. I'll have a link down there. You're going to need to log into your account. Once you get to account.google.com, find and select security and sign in. It may prompt you to verify your identity once to get into the security section. Once you get down to security and sign in, scroll down to the bottom of the how you sign into Google section and select backup codes. Select that. You'll need to verify your identity. Once it verifies, you'll be brought here where you'll see your backup codes. So these are the codes here that you'll need to enter if you ever lose access to your two-factor authentication. Now you want to keep these codes private, but if for some reason they're leaked, you lose them, something like that, all you need to do to refresh your backup codes and get new ones is select that little refresh button right there, and then you can get new codes. And that's what I'll be doing after this video. So you'll get a new set of 10 backup codes that you can use to log into your account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.